Hello, everyone. Today I'm coming to you from Milford, Massachusetts, a suburb just west of Boston, in a neighborhood best described as the ultimate trick-or-treating neighborhood. Let's go inside and take a look around. Welcome inside. I'm Sandra Siciliano with Dwell360 Real Estate. As you enter this beautiful home, you come into this inviting, large family room that leads you right out to the backyard. This is an 8-room house, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. There's a lot for me to show you, so let's get going. This home has great spaces. On this level, we have the updated kitchen, dining room open to the living room with vaulted ceilings, freshly painted interiors, and beautiful hardwood floors. Let's go up to this level and see the bedroom spaces. Before I show you the beautiful backyard, let's check out the lower level. This property has many of the elements that today's buyers are looking for, including this beautiful, fully fenced-in backyard that also has a large shed for all your outdoor storage needs. I'm Sandra Siciliano with Dwell360 Real Estate. Thanks so much for taking this tour with me today.